Hi, my name is Lexi and I'm here today to talk to you about protein. Before we get into it, I just want to give you a brief overview as to what protein is and why it's important in your diet. So, protein is a macronutrient composed of amino acids. Your body heavily relies on it in order to help support your bones, muscle, skin, hair, nails, and even your brain cells. Protein's primary role in the body is to build, maintain, and repair tissues. It is the most plentiful part of your body than any other material besides water, of course. Now that you kind of know about protein and the basic information about it, you might wonder, where do I get protein? Well, just like your body does not store protein, it doesn't make all the essential amino acids that it needs. And that is where your diet comes into play in order to supply those essential amino acids in your diet. Now, luckily, protein can be found in various foods ranging from meat to plants. So let's talk about meats first. Meats are considered a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids the body needs. Now, these foods include steak, chicken, eggs, fish, and milk. Now, plants, on the other hand, are considered an incomplete protein source, meaning that it may not contain all the essential amino acids in adequate amounts. So in order to get all those amino acids in your diet, you need to create a diet with a variety of nuts, beans, and vegetables. Now, since we're also talking about diet, we should talk about what protein sources you want to avoid, such as those high in saturated fats, foods that are fried, and processed meats. Now, another positive side of protein sources is that they can even help you lose weight. So, protein allows you to feel satisfied for longer and therefore helps you reduce cravings. Also, by increasing protein intake, you get to build more muscle, which in turn burns more calories. When the body has proper protein intake, it can temporarily increase metabolism while also decreasing appetite, which is a win-win. It is important to know that more protein does not always mean better. Protein requirements are to support the body based off individual size, age, and lifestyle. Now, consuming too much protein can be hard on the kidneys and liver and honestly does not provide any additional benefits. To calculate your daily protein target for the day, you want to find your current body weight and take that number and multiply it by 0.36. And then you will end up with a number that tells you approximately how many grams of protein you need daily. However, if you participate in strength training, you want to take the 0.36 and increase it to a number between 0.55 and 0.77. On the other hand, if you do endurance training, you want to take the 0.36 and change it to a number that's between 0.58 and 0.82. And on the other side of it, if you're over the age of 65, you want to increase the 0.36 to 0.68. The reason that older adults need extra protein intake is because they need more protein to help maintain their muscle mass, to help with the function of their body, and keep their strength. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I wish you the best of luck in the program.